there are other people who give skincare advice whose skin is nice. You know, they have even skin tone, not large pores, all that stuff. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Maya. So I'm back to do some more skincare updates. All I've really been using is this and this to wash my face and kind of like this and kind of like this and kind of like this. So what's been kind of, as you can kind of see, okay, my skin's dry. I just washed my face, got out of the shower. My skin is dry. I need to go ahead and start doing something to it. My skin is like really dry over here. I'm guessing it is from this. No, I did put some retinol on the other day, but I just put it kind of in this spot, but it travels, right? So maybe it kind of got down here somehow. I don't know. Because I was breaking out and I'm like tempted to use retinol when I'm breaking out, because I'm like, sometimes I feel like these gentle cleansers are just too gentle to where like they don't even really wash your face that well. But I'm trying to fight the urge to just use something more harsh or more that feels, something that feels more stringent, like it's actually cleaning my face, because we will all know that kind of just makes things worse most times. So I'm fighting the urge. I'm just like using my little milk, my cleansing milk. It doesn't feel like it's doing much of anything, but so I use that. And then this facial pigment kit by Dr. Vanita Rattan is what is breaking up the melasma as far as I'm concerned. I'm pretty sure, like, because it's really all I've been using. So I'm kind of excited to see how it continues to do that when I keep using it, because I don't want to stop using it. I think, I don't know, something jump started it, like kicked it off, like when I was using retinol. Because sometimes, like using retinol, it kind of peels, like it helps to rejuvenate your skin cells quicker. It's like really strong, and like I use the 0.5 or something like that, and like a 0.1 or something like that. So I have two. One is the 0.1 one is a gel that's like more harsh, and the 0.5 one is a cream base, and it's still very powerful. It just it's not as quick, and it's not as harsh. And so I don't know if me using that in combination with this is what kind of kicked off the blotchiness, or just that on its own started to do that. But I'm gonna keep using it. This is my first round, so I have to, you know, continue to use it to see like all of it, all this blotchiness kind of gonna go away. Just get back to the normal, you know, you can see it, my kind of natural skin tone. So that's gonna be interesting to see how that goes. But I'm definitely appreciating my skin these days. I mean, I always have been, but definitely appreciating, yeah, just, I don't know. Like yesterday I put on makeup and I took the makeup off. I was like, wow, my face looks so nice without the makeup on. My skin is so dry though. But anyway, we're trying to, like, I know, you guys know I say like perfect skin. I don't really mean that. I mean, I kind of did a little bit, but it's not attainable. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start. This is daytime. I'm not using this right now. What I'm going to do is just my basic kind of like daytime skincare routine. I'm going to use the Verse Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution. Perfect, because it is the weekend. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Now, you're supposed to use a pad with this because it has this little thing on top. You're supposed to put the pad there, but I don't want to do that. I just kind of spray it in my hand, and it's kind of messy. So I put the toner on. Now, full disclosure, I did put a little bit of oil on my face first because I knew I was going to be talking and it's dry. But it don't matter. It's about completion, not perfection. It's about just doing the skincare routine. Doesn't have to be perfect, blah, blah, blah. Now, does it matter in which order you do these things? Yes. But I'll be alright. One day will be okay. One day will be okay. Okay, so you want to let your products dry 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes in between applying them. I heard people say 10 to 20. I'm like, well, 20 minutes is like doing a skincare routine and having to wait 20 minutes between each step is like so long. It's just long. So 5 minutes is like my minimum of what I try to do, and let it wait. So I'm gonna let this absorb into my skin for 5 minutes. You can kind of feel it, and that's just so the products don't clash, they don't interfere with one another, they don't disrupt what the other one's doing, and they are able to reach the full benefits by actually soaking in and absorbing into your skin. Now, those people who say that, like I'm saying, like, y'all know I'm not skincare, I'm not an esthetician, I'm not a skincare professional. I'm just showing my skincare routine on the cameras, on the internets. So I don't know, people who follow, I mean, you had to kind of follow what works for you, but people with the people who give skincare advice, I don't feel like I tried to give, I don't know, I kind of do. Anyway, there are other people who give skincare advice whose skin is nice. You know, they have even skin tone, not large pores, all that stuff. And of course, it's not, no one's saying everyone should attain to have that, but if that's what you want and you can find a way to do it, you know, why not try? So anyway, I've really been like overthinking everything lately, so whatever. Let me just wait. Let this absorb into my skin, and I'll come back and do the next step. I'm trying, like, I don't even know what I want to use today. I feel like I want to I'm keeping it light because I'm using this, and this is very potent, so I'm not really doing a whole lot. And I don't even feel like looking for my other skincare, y'all. I really don't feel like it. Let me let this absorb. I'll see what else I have, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes since I applied the toner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply, which really is my last step. I'm just trying to look like, feel bad for saying that. I really just want to give you guys an update on the pigmentation kit, just to kind of really just to show what it's doing, because I feel like it's breaking it up pretty quick, and I'm like, I don't have any videos showing it, and I know it's gonna be, it's gonna continue to do that. I'm using our rosehip oil right now, and I'm gonna use the Dr. Vanita Rattan Sarah Pep Brightening Moisturizer. This has ceramides and peptides, and also brightening ingredients: licorice root, niacinamide, and Portulaca Oleica extract. Yeah, I don't know. So I just applied the oil because, like I said, I have dry skin, and using this pigmentation kit it has like retinols and just different things that can dry your skin out. And I already have dry skin and eczema prone skin, and eczema, I've heard, can also make your skin drier. So that's on me to increase my water intake and like eat more moisturizing. Eat foods that can moisturize your cells more, like fruits and veggies that have more water content. So, you know, those kind of things are things you have to think about all the time, right? Feed your body, nourish your body. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I really ain't doing much. I'm about to put this on top. I just wanted to show you guys that it's breaking it up. It's a cream base, so I like that it's nice and gentle. And really, I haven't been using the other one. This is the, maybe I like, because I don't feel like it's doing much. This is the, like, so you use the first part of the cream. This is the treatment product. You use that 2 nights in a row, and the third night you use this, and, you know, wash, rinse, repeat. This is just very basic. It's not moisturizing my skin well at all, so I'm not really using it. I should, though. I should follow directions. Bad on that. But I've been using this in its place. And I maybe shouldn't, because this is more brightening stuff. Maybe I'm supposed to give it a break. Give it a break! Give it a break! Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And yes, I do say wait 5 minutes between applying each product, but for whatever reason, when I put my oil on, I always put my moisturizer on right with it and like let them both absorb together, and that's pretty much the end of it. So I'm not gonna do anything different today. Why break what's not broken? It might not be working that well, but it's working fine for me for now. And I like this moisturizer better than the little one that came in the kit. Better than this one because it's very moisturizing. This one's very moisturizing. I do like it. It's very luxurious and thick. And yeah, I'm just going to let this absorb into my skin, and then put my sunblock on. I'm done for the day. So yeah, that's unfortunately that's the end of this video. I am gonna try and record more today so I can be more consistent again, because I don't know what, I kind of fell off. Like I was on it, and then I kind of fell off. You know, life happened. I'm working on other things. You know, but YouTube is still, oh, I'm sweating. Oh, it's hot. YouTube is still one of my passions, so I'm still trying to like be consistent with YouTube, and I plan to do that. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those down below the comment bar. Comment on this video. It helps my video a lot. It helps me a lot, please. It helps me. My channel's growing at 526, so we're getting almost to 1,000. I'm really excited about that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please share with your friends who are on the skincare journey. You know, I do vlogs and all the other stuff on my channel too, so share it with friends, family, whoever. And thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.